There you go. I don't know if both of you can fit though.
Yeah, I mean, you only get like 2-3 inches. I'll just go out there.
Yeah, you wanna steer it?
But I don't do that.
Okay, when he's done, then you can switch.
Oh, I want him to get off because I can't go.
Okay,
It's your turn.
it's your turn. Yep.
Good job. You guys are good.
Okay, why don't you
steering.
turn? Oops, mommy's slipping. Don't slip down the back. It's slippery on that. Can we
I
see?
see some snow.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
Hi.
I could
What,
see
girl?
some snow.
Yes, there's a lot of snow. Lots of snow to see.
It's my turn. It's my turn. Mommy, it's my turn.
Okay, get a few more minutes. Great.
Hey.
It's not my
Go ahead.
turn. No.
Up.
A few more minutes, then he goes.
What, climb up the stairs,
No,
Sophia?
Dad.
He's all done.
Why not?
Now it's your
Watch Teddy
turn.
and Todd.
I'm going to drive away.
You want to drive away? Okay, you steer it. Hi. See mommy? Hello.
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 What's this?
Snow. Lots of snow, huh?
Let's do this
Is it gonna ride down,
together.
Carter?
No.
Mommy?